Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our science class. Today, let me discuss with our last chapter, the 16th one, that is garbage in and garbage out. Let me see, before going to the garbage, what is this garbage? Garbage means garbage is a product which is not useful for us. That means it will be a waste. Yes. Waste and garbage are two similar words that waste. Come to waste. What are the wastes we need to produce day to day our life? Yes, let me start with in our home that in the first thing is in the kitchen. As we go for make a tea, we will see the tea so that we will get a tea as a waste again. And if we are going to cook, we use vegetables, fruits and all. The peels of vegetables are going to waste. Yes, and after we eating our food, what happens? The food after the extra food, we will leave some food, or the extra food which we are not going to use is also called as a waste. Yes, and the newspaper which you use here to read today, the next day it will be a waste product. Yes, it is a waste product. And then moving to which we have learned this year, the books are going to fresh year books. Okay, and for the next year we are going to purchase new notebooks, new textbooks and so those which were used in the last year, those become a waste. Yes, these are the waste which we get in our day-to-day life. And coming to biscuits, chocolates, which we are eatable foods, chips, these we use, but the plastic of that covers and are going to waste. Yes, these are the waste which we are getting day-to-day life every day. Yes, let me discuss that in a day, which are in a one single family, we will be knowing the members of our family. Yes, let's take one example of that is we need to collect a waste for in one bucket. Okay, 5 liter or 10 liter buckets to keep one bucket and go on collecting the waste in that bucket first day, second day, third, fourth day, and make sure that to estimate the waste per week in one family. So if you are going to estimate one family in per week, the waste estimate, it is of one area, one city, one village and one district, taluk, like that it will be there. Means the whole world, how much waste will get collected in the per day. Yes, we can't imagine. So this is all the waste which are going to generate in our day-to-day life. And waste and garbage, which are composting. What is this composting? And before going to compost, let's be do you notice that the garbage trucks will be come from our government? Nowadays those corporation vehicles will come and collect the waste. Yes, and they will collect in the two forms. Yes, blue bin and green bin. Blue bin will be for the waste which are recyclable and the green will be for the vegetable waste. Yes, they will say that in Kannada that what is this? Hasi kasa and the vana kasa. I mean to say that the wet waste and the dry waste. Yes, they will call and they will make to collect. We need to give support for those peoples. Yes, we need to give support for them. And those waste are collected and they will fill in the landfill. Where it is landfill. Landfill is an area where the garbage collected from a city or town is dumped over the city. Out of the city, there is one area out of the city or a town which is there will be a collection of full garbage and they will bifurcate which is going to recycle and which are not going to recycle. Which are recyclable, they will bury the soil and they will drop them and make sure to close the land. And after some days, that land become a park, because you will come to know that why it become a park and all in next classes. Okay, let's move on to composting. Composting is that converting plant, animal and kitchen waste. Okay, have you noticed that? Converting plant waste. That if you use when we have in agriculture, when harvesting process is over, the waste from the plants, okay, which for example jawar plant, you take that. When we take out of jawar from that plant, that plant skeleton over is the plant waste. And animal waste. Animal waste is dung of the animal, and also the skin of the animal when it is going to die. And kitchen waste. Kitchen waste means, as I said, that the vegetable peels, fruit peels, these are the kitchen waste. These three waste into manure is called composting, which they are going to manual. We need to dig the pit and drop all these waste and make the composting. This process is called as composting. Okay. Then coming to the compost, there is a vermicompost. Vermicompost means the land, the fertilizer using of chemical fertilizer. This is going to make a natural fertilizer. That the method of making compost from kitchen garbage using red worms. Here we need to use red worms is a vermicomposting. What are these red worms? Red worms are the friends of, we say that, farmers. They will make the land into fertilizer land, the normal land into fertilizer land by grinding the waste, kitchen waste, that is peels of vegetables, fruits and all. Those will eat. They have a capacity to grind those wastes and make the total land into fertilizer land, so that these red worms will use for this composting. Okay, the method of making compost from kitchen garbage using red worms is vermicomposting. Okay, let's move to recycling. Recycling means paper can be recycled to get useful products. Recycle means we use the products into again another use. For example, we use newspapers daily. Yes, we read newspapers and make one bundle of old newspapers. Those take older newspapers and dip them into the water and full over there. After removing drain out all the water and mesh the paper, make that in a net. We need to make a bowls or pots, like that type of different shapes of wire mesh. Put those meshed paper patty on it and make the different types of pots, bowls and all, which are going to use for in other eco-friendly hotels and all. Okay, we have noticed those things. Okay, these are the recycled, means the products which are used for another use. For example, plastic bottles, metals, glasses, they are going to recycle, means they will mix together. They make in the factories. What they will do is, they all plastics will going to make as a liquid, and again they use for another second quality of bottles, second quality of metal, second quality of glasses, which we are get in the market as because ekdam standard, medium, low quality, those type of those we will get by the process of recycling. Yes. And going to last one, that these plastics cannot be converted into less harmful substances by the process of composting. The plastics which we are instead of burning them and all, we need to compost them, means the harmfulness will be less for by these plastics. Okay, what are the things we need to take care of? The garbages which are not to produce much, because if we produce more waste buildings. Okay, so we need to take care that we use eco-friendly bags instead of plastic or polythene bags. Use paper bags, cloth bags, and use mats from the old cloths, waste cloths and all. These are the things which we need to take care about to reduce the waste. Okay. Hopefully, the last one I want to glance the important things. That first one is waste, which we are the materials which we are not to use for another use which is what waste, and garbage is the collection of waste in the form of garbage, and this compost means converting the plant and animal kitchen waste in the manure is called composting, and vermicompost is the method of making compost from kitchen garbage using red worms is a vermicomposting, and paper can be recycled to get useful products, and plastics cannot be converted into less harmful substances by the process of composting. And the last one need to take care that we can observe that in the outside the trees leaves will be fall down. We will collect all the tree leaves, dry tree leaves, and we will burn them. Instead of doing that, we can make that to dig the pit and draw all the dry leaves in the pit. Means after some days that becomes a fertilized land. So why do we use like that? Instead of doing that, if you dig like this, we will get a fertilized land, so that we can do some other things in our home only. We can do our kitchen waste and all like this, so that in that we can make a garden in our home, and we can use that soil for gardening plants and all. So that these are the things which we need to take care about our home waste, converting our waste into as a fertilizer products. Yes, this is about the garbage in and garbage out lesson. Thank you, children. Hopefully you study for this academic year. Good luck, children. Thank you.